Not count against my 140 seconds. Thank you, Seth.
Thanks.
Okay, let's get started.
Go.
So every day, people are suffering with disease, waiting for the next breakthrough to come from the scientist down the street or a scientist across the globe. Yet despite billions being spent, people continue to suffer with all sorts of diseases, cancers and heart disease and diabetes, all sorts of problems. The system exists in a way right now where the innovators, the people who can actually produce these products, make that art, are facing barriers that are erected. And so it seems like nothing will happen. I worked in the FDA for a few years, and what I learned is that scientists within the government are actually stimulated by, inspired by technology just like anybody else. But the system brings them down also. Congress, the media, tells them that no risk is acceptable. And as Seth has pointed out, without the willingness to fail, success is not possible. So what did I do in the government? Well, one of the things I did was I co-led a project where we figured out that it would be possible to grow human organs to use to test drugs in a way that would be more accurate than the current approach. The current approach, it's testing on animals, which is about as good as flipping a coin. So what we were able to do was basically get that program launched. Since I left the government, I figured, what's next? So what I had to do was take some of the ideas that I've learned from Seth, that I had to connect with people I knew, that I had to be willing to lead, that I had to stick my neck out. And I worked with a bunch of experts, and we developed a proposal to basically say, this is a plan that can make it more effective and faster to get new products, to get other people's art. So enabling other people's art to get to the market by using these organs, human organs, grown in a laboratory. To test that, what I then did was figured out how to take some cells, turn them, with collaborators doing most of the heavy lifting, I'll admit, into heart muscle cells. Using those heart muscle cells to function like a heart on a piece of plastic. And now I propose to a pharma company that we can test their drug on those human cells to predict human effects. And we're hopefully going to go to the FDA not only to replace the animal tests, but also to replace human trials. So that's what we're doing. It might not work, but it's going to change the way the system works.
Thank you, Doc.